Our strength lies in togetherness, not in vengeance. Our strength lies in giving and sharing, not in being jealous of each other and destroying. Our strength lies in compassion and tolerance, not in any opposition, war, or grievance. Our strength lies in unity and diversity, not in any kind of division or uniformity. A very warm afternoon to one and all. Today I am here to expatiate my views on the topic, the ink of uniformity on the page of unity. India is a diverse country with a vast geographical plurality with different religions, regions, castes, creeds, languages and cultures. No other country in the world is as diverse as India is. And citizens of most of these countries either speak a particular language or believe in a certain religion. But what makes we Indians even more unique is that we appreciate and nurture these differences. Back in 1900s, when British followed the divide and rule policy in India, they succeeded. But we, along with our great leaders, together united to one, without thinking of our caste or creed or culture or language, and forced them out of the nation. This is the power of unity. Thus, when we stop following others' ideas and listen to the voice of our inner self, that we realize the actual difference between unity and uniformity. Unity comes from within. It is about actually being one. It is about agreeing on the fundamentals and then working together throughout. While uniformity is an external aspect, which is about looking similar and acting similar without any internal bond or agreement. Even worse, it can kill the very possibility of unity. This is because uniformity is like a low-hanging fruit which seems more tempting. Moreover, unity is incredibly hard to achieve and even harder to maintain. Thus, it can kill the possibility of unity. Let us understand all this through some examples. We have our body with different organs, with numerous tissues and innumerable cells, right? And each of them has their role to play. Can you imagine your body just as a group of similar tissues or cells or organs without actually the ones which are required for this complex design? No, we can't. Similarly, we all have heard about the hijab incident where just to ensure uniformity in the country, we are denying the people their fundamental right to democracy, the right to follow their own customs. And then we proudly say India is the largest democracy of the world. This is where diversity is necessary, but definitely not sufficient, because while diversity is a great pushback against uniformity, it's just a halfway point. Unity is where we all should be aiming for. All of us with our differences, not just looking for a common ground, but working together for each other's interests. Even our Mother Nature has always taught us the lesson of unity. The natural environment with all its diverse elements, with the mountains and the plains, the rivers and the valleys, the plants and the animals blooming together in the breeze. Just imagine the tulip garden of Kashmir with different sizes of tulips, different colors and different varieties in different shapes, creating a serene atmosphere. Even we have tried to fulfill this principle of unity in diversity to much extent. We all are sitting here together without thinking of our caste or religion or culture or anything else. And even in our day-to-day life, we celebrate our festivals together, we share our sorrows and joys together, and most of it, we live together. Our age-old morals have always signified, united we stand, divided we fall. We all know this, but still we turn a blind eye when the situation actually comes in front of us. We forget this principle when it comes to the game of politics, when just to ensure their votes, just for their personal gain, politicians, they pick up this agenda of language and culture and caste and creed, even if it means conflict and violence in the country. It is high time for us to understand physically, we are one from within. Therefore, I would like to encapsulate by saying, let love eradicate hate. Let love eradicate hate that always seeds and seals our fate. Never to discriminate, no, never to recriminate. Stress unity, the world around, raise voice against uniformity that they may resound. With the diversity of the human world, let's all lead high like a bird. Let's all lead high like a bird. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Thank you so much, Kirtpreet. We would now like to proceed